video I'm gonna show you how the face recognition or emotion recognition is done using Python. This was the final year project of ours, so basically whatever I searched on YouTube, there wasn't any good, like showing percentage and all, and cutting the face and edge detection of the face emotion of any human being wasn't there. So basically I just wrote the program, and this is how it looks. So I'm just going to present my screen and just move. Yeah, this is the program that I wrote, and I'm just going to run this code. Running. Yeah, this shows this, like the emotion is just detected: fear, surprise, happy. So there are total these many operations, emotion that are going on, and you can also see that it is going and giving the real-time updation that found phase 1. You can also do this project by adding multiple faces around the camera, or just inviting a friend towards the camera. And not only this, you can also see the actual percentage, that is this, the actual percentage of accuracy, that yes, this is the accuracy of the uh, face emotion recognition. And one more thing that I want to tell you is that it will also recognize each face, and it will cut that each face into different face recognition. So I'm just gonna give the example of this. Like, yeah, as you can see that it recognizes the emotion of both the humans, like this and my friend. So it actually works. So yeah, that's all from my side. So I hope you like this video, and just write in the comment section if you ever have doubt in this video, regarding this video, and hit the subscribe button. Thank you. See you. Happy face. Bye.